Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a power seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.